What should Soma grow? Written by Munda Writers Group. Once there was an old man named Soma. He would eat fruits from the trees in the forest. One day, while he was wandering about, he came to a stream. "Why don't you start farming?" the stream said to him. So that's what he did. Old man Soma cleared some trees on both sides of the stream, tilled the land, and sowed some oats. When the oats were ripe, a squirrel came along to eat them. "Why are you eating my oats?" Soma asked the squirrel.
"If you'd grown horse gram, I wouldn't have eaten them,"
answered the squirrel. So, old man Soma sowed some horse gram in his field. When the horse gram was ripe, a deer came along to eat it. "Why are you eating my horse gram?" Soma asked the deer.
"If you'd grown corn, I wouldn't have eaten it,"
said the deer. So, old man Soma sowed some corn on his land. A little while later, a parrot came along to eat the corn. "Why are you eating my corn?" Soma asked the parrot.
"If you'd grown peanuts, I wouldn't have eaten them,"
said the parrot. Old man Soma then sowed some peanuts. A few days later, a jackal came along to eat the peanuts. "Why are you eating my peanuts?" Soma asked the jackal.
"If you'd grown sweet potatoes, I wouldn't have eaten them,"
replied the jackal. So, old man Soma set off to sow some sweet potatoes. Soon after that, a hog came along to eat the sweet potatoes. "Why are you eating my sweet potatoes?" Soma asked the hog.
"If you'd grown sesame, I wouldn't have eaten them,"
said the hog. So, old man Soma sowed some sesame. This is how Soma learned to grow different kinds of crops. He and the animals lived happily ever after. Do you like to eat these things too?